In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a refund in Xero. We'll walk through how to take a refund that appears on your bank feed and link it to the correct transaction in Xero, so your accounts stay accurate and your reports make sense. Before you start, make sure the bank account that received or paid the refund is connected and up to date, so the refund shows as a statement line in your reconciliation screen. Begin on your Xero dashboard and open the bank account you're working with. Click on Reconcile to open the bank reconciliation screen. This is where Xero lists your imported bank statement lines on the left and gives you options to match each one to the correct transaction. Think of this page as the place where you tell Xero what each bank line represents. Locate the refund transaction in the list. Refunds can appear as money received or money spent depending on whether a supplier returned funds to you or you refunded a customer. Use the date, amount, and description to confirm you've got the right line. If your list is long, the quick search can help narrow it down by amount or reference. Once you've highlighted the correct bank line, click Match. This tells Xero you want to link the bank line to an existing transaction, such as a credit note, overpayment, or prepayment, rather than creating a new spend or receive money entry. Xero may suggest a likely match automatically. If it does, don't just accept it. Take a moment to verify the details. In the matching panel, find the correct item and click the checkbox beside it. Check that the contact, date, and especially the amount are identical to the refund on your bank line. If tax applies, make sure it aligns with how the original transaction was treated. If you don't see the right item, it usually means the related credit hasn't been recorded or approved yet, so you'll want to confirm that outside this screen before finishing. When you're confident the checkbox is against the correct transaction and everything lines up, click Reconcile. That action links the bank statement line to the accounting entry, removes it from your unreconciled items, and keeps your customer or supplier balances accurate. You'll also see the matched transaction reflected in your account transactions and reports with a clear audit trail. That's all there is to it. Open Reconcile, choose the refund bank line, click Match, tick the correct item, and finalize with Reconcile. Afterward, a quick check in the Accounts Transactions tab can give you extra peace of mind. If anything looks off, you can always unreconcile and try again. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling in Xero.